Hey guys, in this video we're going to be testing whether the Overcharge perk actually affects the Chainsword's heavy attacks in Space Marine 2. A lot of players are unsure what kind of attacks are boosted by Overcharge, so let's find out with some gameplay testing. I kept all the perks the same except just changing the Overcharge perk whenever I have the gray chapter colors. That was when I had Overcharge enabled, and when you see the white, that's when I had it disabled. So we're going to go in here, and first off we're going to be testing the heavy attack kick ability. So we're going to do one spinning attack into a kick here, and then we're just going to let ourselves die, and we're going to check our damage numbers at the end of the run. Okay, so we'll just die real quick here. Okay, and as you can see here, it was 62 damage, and this is with the Overcharge perk enabled. And now this is with it disabled, so a spin and a heavy kick. And then we'll just die really quick here, and I'll fast forward a bit just to make it a little bit quicker here. Okay, so fast forward, and 44 damage for a spin and a kick. So as you can see there, it's actually quite a bit better with the Overcharge. And now we'll test the stomp ability. So as you can see there, I missed every attack other than the stomp. And now I'm just going to quickly let myself die here. Okay, so we'll take a knee in this barb strangler and die real quick. And fast forward times 800 speed. And there it is, 29 damage. And then getting right into Overcharge turned off for the stomp. And let's see what we come up with here. So we're just going to pull this Whip Warrior over and stomp. And luckily it only hit him. The Minoris enemies hadn't quite gotten there in time. So let's see what the damage ends up being. Okay, so we'll just die and fast forward real quick here. And then the damage ends up being 23, which you'll see in a second here. So yeah, as you can see here, it does work on both the kick and the stomp. And it also works on the shoulder charge. I didn't show any clips of that, but I did test it out, and it definitely does work on the shoulder charge. And then we'll just show a couple of clips of Overcharge on versus off and how quickly you kill enemies. I have it sped up a little bit so it's not quite so painful and slow to watch here. But basically, it's kind of the same if you've seen my Overcharge Power Sword video. It takes like, 1 to 2 hits off of the combo string to kill enemies. So it does seem like it can be worth it if you want to take the Overcharge, especially for the Bulwark, because you can just take it as a prestige perk. For Assault, if you want to play a little more dangerously and give up the armor reinforcement, it can actually make it kind of fun because you do a decent amount more damage. If you guys have any other ideas for some interesting testing we could do, leave it down in a comment and I'll check it out. But anyway, that's it for me, guys. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like on it for me, and if you have been enjoying the content, consider subscribing. It really does help the channel.